And tonight, live Doppler 2X picking up some rain out into Preble County, and we'll zoom in on that area. You can see right up around Lewisburg, some showers rolling in around US 40 just to the north of Interstate 70, extending on down through West Alexandria, and even some light rain showers around Gratis, extending to the east along 725 over towards Germantown. So we'll be looking at a little bit of rain falling in some parts of the region overnight, but you can see the rain getting very widely scattered now. What was a solid line of rain to the west of us getting a little more broken, but still some more scattered rains eastern Indiana and some heavier rains down through Cincinnati, but that also is showing a weakening trend as it continues to work northeastward. But any rain that falls tonight with the high humidity levels, probably not going to see a lot of evaporation overnight, so still expect some damp roadways around the region come tomorrow. Okay, we rolled into fall this evening at 5:18, and the temperature outlook for the rest of the fall and going into December, it's basically a coin flip for us as far as whether we'll see above or below normal temperatures. Not any well-defined probability there, and it's the same situation as far as the rainfall goes. Our current conditions tonight, well, it certainly doesn't feel like fall now with a 72-degree reading and a south-southeast wind at 6 miles an hour, 84% the relative humidity, and check out that dew point all the way up there in the upper 60s. 82 our high today, 66 the low this morning. Our normals now dropping off into the low 70s and low 50s. 95 the record high, 1895, and 33 back in 1897. And we're seeing low 70s tonight across the region. Bob Jacoby and Piqua, 73 degrees. Betty Shappy in Versailles reporting a temperature of 72. And our weather checkers down south, Dennis Lowstetter in Cedarville, 72 degrees. Jim Robbins in Beaver Creek, one of the cooler readings, but even that's in the 70s, 71 degrees tonight. Barbara Richards in Kettering at 74. And Jim Shank over in Eaton tonight reporting a temperature of 72. And even Jim Allen calling in late tonight. Usually he's in bed by now, but temperatures in the 70s down in Middletown as well. It has slipped off into the upper 60s around Mansfield and Fort Wayne. Even Cincinnati at 69 with some of that rain coming down now. But the thing to note, we have a lot of moisture all the way from Tennessee, Alabama, Mississippi, right on up into the lower Great Lakes, and not much eastward progress here. So even though we have the fall air out over the Central Plains states, that's really not going to get a shove eastward until we head towards the weekend. So we are looking at some cloud streaming northward tonight along what's basically a stationary front to the west of us now, with the cool conditions out west and the warm, humid conditions to the east of that front. Now, here's what's going to happen, though, on future track. An upper-level low spinning away out west. That is actually going to try to move a little bit farther back to the west, and that will allow our upper winds to become a little more northwesterly by the time we get to Thursday and Friday. That should allow a weak cool front to drop in from the north. That will actually bring a little drop in temperatures and humidity heading towards Thursday and also into Friday. But then it looks like that moisture south of us, that's going to come right back into the area going into Friday night and Saturday. Our forecast tonight, we'll have that chance for a shower. There could be an isolated rumble of thunder, but I just think we're looking at some scattered showers overnight. 66 the overnight low and remaining a little bit on the sticky side. A warm, humid day tomorrow, low 80s expected, and the best chance of seeing some of those scattered showers and thunderstorms during the peak heating of the day into the afternoon. 66 at 8 o'clock, 71 at 10 a.m., 76 at noon, and then upper 70s and low 80s on your hour-by-hour forecast for the afternoon. You can keep track of the rain overnight with live Doppler 2X, and you can get that anytime at WDTN.com. Your 7-day planner, a decreasing chance of rain on Thursday. Just a slight chance of a shower, about 80 degrees, and then a little cooler, a little less humid for Friday. Morning lows dropping back into the 50s, highs in the upper 70s, but Friday night, Saturday, looks like some more showers and thunderstorms roll into the region, and then cooler temperatures finally starting to feel like fall again as we head towards early next week. Look at that, some lows in the